this video, we will learn about how to change the fraction into mixed number. This is an improper fraction, 25/7. Improper because numerator is greater than denominator. So this is denominator. So how to change the improper fraction to a whole number? So how to change it? Let's see. First of all, 25 can be written as 21 plus 4. This is 7. So separate them, 21/7 plus 4/7, because 21 plus 4 is equal to 25. So table of 7 is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 28, 35. So this is 1, this is at 2, 3, 4 and 5, multiple of 7. So add this is 21. So 3, this is 3 plus 4/7. So now you can write this is 3 whole number and this is 4/7. This is your answer. How to write improper fraction to a whole number. Look at another question. This is another question, 39 divided by 9. So convert these 39 into two parts over 9, like 36 plus 3. Why? Because 36/9, we can write 36/9 plus 3/9. So multiple of 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. This is the 36 because we write this 39 into 36 plus 3, because we have to make a perfect multiple of 9. So in this way you can understand and write how to. This is at 1, this is as 2, 3 and this is at 4. So this is 491. This is 4 plus 3/9. Now you can write it 4 as a whole number. This is 3/9. So this is your answer. It's a simple way to convert improper fraction to a mixed number. Look at another question. This is another question, 53/8. Change this into a mixed number. How to? First of all, multiple of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and 56, 64. So we need this number. We need a number below the 53. So below 53 is 48. So change this 53 into 48. Now plus 5. Okay, 48 plus 5 is 53 divided by 8. Why? Because we have to make a perfect number which is divisible on 8. 48, separate them, 48/8 plus 5/8. Okay, now you can see that where is the 48? 48 is at this position. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. So this is 6. Okay, now 6 plus 5/8, you can write this 6 whole 5/8. This is the answer of this question. So these are the different questions which clarify you how to change the improper fraction to a mixed number, and I hope so you got the idea, because it was simple. I try as much as to make it simple for you. If you feel any problem regarding this, you can comment under the video and like this video. If you feel this is useful for you, like this video, comment under the video, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.